Imana yacu
Our God,
igikoresha abadashoboye.
we use people who are not
Specialiste
able.
mu gukoresha abadashoboye.
He's special to use people who are not
Pawulo abivuga neza
qualified. Paul says this
ngo
way,
mu ntege nke zanjye
in my weakness,
nibwo nzajya nshima Imana
I will glorify
kuko aricyo
God.
gihe ikora mu mbaraga
For
zayo.
that is his time to work.
Mu myaka 80
After for 80 years old,
Mose azingwa ibintu zararangiye
when Moses knew it was done,
akandagiye ku musozi
when he was on the mountain
ageze iruhande rw'igihuru
before the burning bush,
yumva ijwi riramuganiriza
he heard a voice.
riramubwira ngo
The voice told him,
aho nahera.
that is a holy
Ya
place.
Mana yavuganye na Aburahamu,
The same God who spoke to
ya
Abraham,
Mana yavuganye na Isaka,
the same God who spoke to
ya
Isaac,
Mana yavuganye na
the
Yakobo.
same God who spoke to Jacob.
Nkunda ayo magambo
I like these
cyane
words.
iyo Imana yise Yakobo Yakobo.
When God called Jacob, Jacob,
Icyo kintu ndagikunda
I like it so much.
kuko ubundi Imana yabwiye Yakobo ngo ntuzongera kwitwa Yakobo,
God said to Jacob, you no longer be called Jacob.
iramubwira ngo nguhinduriye izina
Now I change your name.
kuko Yakobo ni izina ry'umuriganya.
Because Jacob is
Iramubwira ngo
someone who
kuva
takes things
none
from others. From now,
uzitwa Isirayeli.
you will be called Israel.
Ariko yigaragarije Mose
When he showed up to Moses,
ntiyigeze imubwira ngo ndi Imana ya Isirayeli,
they didn't say, I'm God of Israel.
iravuga ngo ndi Imana ya Aburahamu,
I'm God of Abraham.
ndi Imana ya Isaka,
I'm God of
ariko
Isaac.
ndi n'Imana ya Yakobo.
I'm also God of
Akiri
Jacob.
umuriganya,
When he was
akiri
again,
mu butayu,
when he was in the wilderness,
akiba mu ntama,
when he was in sheep,
yaragiye kuragira kwa
when he
Labani,
went to Laban,
akizenguruka yarahunze
when he
Esawu.
was wandering,
Ndacyari
moving out,
Imana ya
I'm
Yakobo.
still God of Jacob.
Imyaka umaze mu
The
gasozi,
years of Spain in the
imyaka
wilderness,
40 umaze mu
40
musozi,
years on the
imyaka
mountain,
40 y'Imidiyani,
40 years
ndi
Midianite.
Imana ya
I am
Yakobo.
God of Jacob.
Iyo nigaragaje
When I show up,
hindura amateka
change the
mpereye ku
nature
mateka.
from the history.
Iyo Imana ikosora
When
amateka
God is correcting
ihera
history,
ku
He
mateka.
starts from your history.
Imana ishimwe yuko ihindura amateka
Praise God, because
ihereye ku mateka.
God changed history from
Ntukeneye
history.
guhisha amateka
You
yawe
don't need to hide your
kuko
history,
isezerano ryawe
because your promise,
bihera ku mateka yawe,
we start from your
bikomezwa
background.
n'amateka
It
yawe.
is sanctioned by your background.
Amashimwe yawe
Your praises
ashingira ku mateka yawe.
are based on your background.
Ibigeragezo bya none
The trial of today,
nibwo buhamya bw'ejo.
it is your testimony of tomorrow.
Imana iguhe umugisha.
May God bless you.